So in college, you have two people kind of looking over you. That's your director of studies and your tutor, and they both play very distinct roles. Your director of studies is someone within the same subject as you. So say, for example, you are studying history, so you will have a historian who is your director of studies. And your director of studies oversees the history work that you do while a Corpus student. And so you'll have maybe weekly or every other week a meeting with this director of studies to go over your progress, to assign readings, to, you'll have assignments, different things that you'll need to write, you'll need to research, and that's the director of studies. Your tutor, on the other hand, is someone who specifically is not in the same subject as you. It's someone who's kind of removed from your studies, and this person is mostly in charge of your welfare while you're in college. So your tutor can support you in all sorts of different ways. If you have any sort of needs, financial needs, if you have mental health needs, the tutor is the person that you go to. And they can help you in hopefully a sort of unbiased way because they're not connected to your studies. The tutors are supported by us in the tutorial office, and so we compose this kind of welfare team that is looking out for you to make sure that you're having the best experience possible living here in Cambridge and in the college.